we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting, related, and some of the most mispronounced words as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So there are different ways, two different ways of pronouncing this. In English, this is most often pronounced as loci, loci, although this is the plural of locus. And in Latin, in principle, the C is always hard in classical Latin. This is why some people do pronounce it as loci as well, which is correct. It's more the classical Latin pronunciation, loci, while in English, because an I after a C in English makes a soft C sound, in English it is usually said as loci, loci, or loci. Both are correct indeed. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.